Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel SciTech. In this video I'll be talking about the Wi-Fi 6 which is present in the Poco F2 Pro device, and I'll be mentioning what are the advantages you do get with the Wi-Fi 6 bandwidth in the Poco F2 Pro, so which is very good option for the high range mobile phone. So nowadays with the Wi-Fi 6 you do can get with high speed Wi-Fi network, so which is definitely possible if your device supports the Wi-Fi 6. And in this video I'll be showing you what are the options you do get with the Wi-Fi 6 if you enable it. And if you're watching first time this channel, do subscribe to my channel SciTech, and also do check the links in description also exactly of what wallpapers I'm using in both of the smartphones with the punch hole and notch phone, so which will be very interesting to watch what wallpapers I'm using. So let's get started with the Wi-Fi 6 option, so where you can find and what you can do with that. So even there's articles available online, so where you can just type Wi-Fi 6 in Poco F2 Pro, so you do get this kind of information related to that. So if you looked it here, as you can see friends, which says experience with speeds of 9.6 gigabytes. So definitely if your Wi-Fi router is pretty fast, then this phone can receive this much of high speeds, so nearly the 3 times as fast as the Wi-Fi 5, so which is currently available in all of the regular smartphones, I can say. Definitely friends, so this will be the biggest advantage in terms of improving the Wi-Fi networks in the Poco F2 Pro. So let me show you where you can find that option right now. So recently I got even MIUI 12 update as well, so I'll be doing plenty of reviews on that one also. So let me show you here in the portable hotspot. So if you go to the portable hotspot, you do get this kind of option. As you can see friends, support for the 6th generation standard, so some devices might be incompatible with the 802 standard, so turn this feature off if you experience problem. But definitely friends, if your router has Wi-Fi 6 capabilities, then this phone can actually receive that kind of high speeds, so which will be very helpful in terms of future. So if you are seriously buying the mobile phone as a future proof, then definitely you need to, nowadays you can also check this Wi-Fi 6 support test also. Definitely this is also another advantage, so which will be very useful friends. And from the beginning day to till now, even the Wi-Fi network is very good in this phone. I never had any issue with the phone. And another advantage is that I can even share my Wi-Fi network by enabling the hotspot also in normal phones. So when you turn on Wi-Fi, you can only use Wi-Fi or portable hotspot. You cannot use both at same time. But here in the Poco F2 Pro, you can use both Wi-Fi tethering and Wi-Fi connecting the Wi-Fi network, so which will be very useful. So I used to use this Wi-Fi as a Wi-Fi tethering from the Poco F2 Pro, and I used to connect with other devices, so which is pretty good, the Wi-Fi network speed in the Poco F2 Pro. And for more videos, to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. So that's it for this video, so see you in the next video. Until then, bye.